Gusto mo ba mag-amoy Invictus or Invictus Aqua pero wala kang budget? Then you should try Invictus Aqua by HSI. Gano'n nga ba close si HSI Invictus Aqua sa Invictus EDT? Both Invictus EDT and Invictus Aqua are fresh, aquatic, and sweet. Parang may pagka-strawberry bubble gum. HSI's Invictus Aqua has a good performance despite its price. This will last you for about 2 to 5 hours max, given those 3 to 5 hour mark are only going to be skin scent. Pero sa halagang 200 pesos 60 ml, well, bago na kanilang bottle, that is a freaking steal. Both of these fragrances are really good for school or daily wear. And sa totoo lang, pwede mo ito maging signature scent. You can wear the DNA of Invictus or Invictus Aqua whole year round. Kaya naman, saan ka pa? I-try mo na ang Invictus Aqua. Meron ako dyan sa Yellow Basket. Baka naman. Kung ayaw nyo naman bumili, edi punta na lang ako sa page ng HSI. Doon kayo na live, lagi may sale doon. Peace!